अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है 12th क्लास के लिए बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से हमने लिया है, दैट इज़ कंज्यूमर अवेयरनेस एंड लीगल रिड्रेसल। ये जो हमारा चैप्टर चल रहा है लास्ट चैप्टर है। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक जो हमने चुना है इसमें हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे ये जो कंज्यूमर अवेयरनेस एंड लीगल रिड्रेसल है विद रेफरेंस टू कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट। तो पहले कंज्यूमर को डिस्कस किया जाएगा, फिर दूसरा जो पॉइंट है हु कैन फाइल ए कंप्लेंट, फिर तीसरा जो है दैट इज़ कंप्लेंट डिस्पोजल पीरियड, और जो और एक यहाँ पे पॉइंट है दैट इज़ रिड्रेसल एजेंसीज। तो इनको हम वन बाय वन डिस्कस करेंगे। पहले हम कंज्यूमर उस पर बात करेंगे। कंज्यूमर पे अंडर द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट ए कंज्यूमर इज़, यानी कि एक कंज्यूमर कौन होता है? वन हु बाइज गुड्स और हायर सर्विसेज फॉर कंसिडरेशन, यानी कि वो कोई भी जो गुड्स खरीदता है और सर्विसेज लेता है फॉर कंसिडरेशन, तो उसको हम कंज्यूमर कहेंगे। Any user of such goods or beneficiary of services with approval of the buyer. Anyone who uses the goods bought or services hired for earning livelihood by self-employment. Following persons are not considered to be a consumer: the person who obtains goods for resale or any other commercial purpose, the person who avails services for any commercial purpose, the person who uses the goods without the approval of the buyer, the person who obtains goods without any consideration, the person who avails services without any consideration or without the approval of the hirer. Now ये तो हमने कंज्यूमर को डिस्कस किया। अब हम जाएंगे जो दूसरा यहाँ पे पॉइंट है, दैट इज़ हु कैन फाइल ए कंप्लेंट, यानी कि कौन आदमी होता है जो कंप्लेंट दाखिल कर सकता है। A complaint can be filed by any consumer, registered consumers association, the central or the state government, one or more consumers on behalf of a group of consumers having same interest, a legal heir or representative of a deceased consumer. Now next point, complaint disposal period. Normally maximum time limit for filing the complaint is within 3 months of purchase, and if some testing is needed the maximum limit is 5 months. Next, redressal agencies. The consumer grievances are redressed by three-tier machinery under Consumer Act Protection 1986. It seeks to protect the rights and interests of consumers by operating at district, state and national levels. सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं, हम स्टार्ट करेंगे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट से स्टार्ट होता है, दैट इज़ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम, स्टेट कमीशन, नेशनल कमीशन एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट। डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो फोरम होता है, इट कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ ए प्रेसिडेंट एंड टू अदर मेंबर्स, one of whom is a woman. All of them are appointed by the concerned state government. Only those complaints can be filed here in which value of goods and services and the compensation claimed is less than rupees 20 lakh. The district forum refers the complaint to the opposite party and sends the sample of goods for testing to a laboratory if need be. Order is given on the basis of the laboratory report and hearing of the opposite party. If the complaining consumer is not satisfied with the district forum, he can appeal before the state commission within 30 days. State commission. It also consists of a president and not less than 2 other members, with one of them being a woman. All of them are appointed by concerned state government. Only those complaints can be filed here in which value of goods or services and the compensation claimed is more than 20 lakhs but less than 1 crore. Appeals against the orders of any district forum can also be filed here. The state commission refers the complaint to the opposite party and sends the sample of goods for testing to a laboratory if need be. Order is given on the basis of the laboratory report and hearing of the opposite party. If the complaining consumer is not satisfied with the order of the state commission, he can appeal before the national commission within 30 days. Now next, that is the national commission. It consists of a president and at least 4 other members, one of them being a woman. All of them are appointed by the central government. Only those complaints can be filed here in which value of goods or services and the compensation claimed is more than rupees 1 crore. Also, appeal against state commission orders can be made here. The national commission refers the complaint to the opposite party and sends the goods for testing to a laboratory if need be. Order is given on the basis of the laboratory report and hearing of the opposite party. If the complaining party is not satisfied with the orders, he can appeal before the Supreme Court of India. Relief available. When the court is satisfied with the genuineness of the complaint, it issues following order to the opposite party: to repair the goods or deficiency in service, to replace the defective product, to refund the amount paid for the goods and services, to pay compensation for loss or injury suffered by the consumer, to pay punitive damages in appropriate circumstances, not to offer harmful goods for sale, not to follow unfair trade practices in nature in future, to withdraw harmful goods from sale. to stop manufacturing of harmful goods and not to offer harmful services, not to issue misleading advertisement, payment of amount not less than 5% of the value of the defective goods or services provided, to be credited to the Consumer Welfare Fund.
Thanks.